So normally I just grab the gel, you just open it, and then you would squirt it out onto your hand and just start applying it to your shoulders.
For about a year, this has been a part of Daniel Castaneda's daily routine.
It absorbs in about a minute or two.
No, it's not a skincare product.
It's been nice for me not to have to worry about it, and it's also fun just to tell my friends, like, oh, I'm actually not on birth control, my partner is.
Daniel Castaneda and Nina Gonzalez are one of several couples currently participating in trials for this male contraceptive gel at UC Davis. If trials continue to be successful, the drug would be the first of its kind on the market.
Male contraception has always been that enigma. Can we figure out something that is not just condoms or permanent vasectomy procedures?
Dr. Mitchell Crennan is the Director of Family Planning and the lead study investigator at UC Davis Health. He says the gel works by combining two hormones, nesterone and testosterone.
Nesterone part just telling the body to stop stimulating the testis from doing what it does, which is making hormones and making sperm. And that's great. If it doesn't make sperm, then you can't cause a pregnancy.
The nesterone also tells the body to stop producing testosterone. Without it, men tend to lose energy, focus, and their sex drive, among other things. That's why testosterone is the second hormone in the gel.
We already have gels that are available on the market to help men who have naturally low testosterone. So that part in the gel isn't hard, it's getting the other part correct. And that's what's been the special part of this product.
I've heard this spiel before. Like Daniel and Nina, my wife and I are currently participants in this study. But before we committed, I had some of the same questions Daniel did.
Well, just whether it's going to work, right? I mean, am I going to be able to have children if I want to have children down the line? And so that was a big thing for me.
The gel was developed by the National Institute of Child Health and Human Development. UC Davis joined several other locations around the world as a trial site in phase 2 of testing, and the drug has already shown some early signs of success. Men in the study are monitored while using the gel to make sure it's working as intended to lower their sperm count.
And there is a very small percentage of people who don't suppress, but the important thing is we don't let anybody use this as a contraceptive until we're certain that their counts are suppressed incredibly low.
And after they stop using the gel to make sure their sperm counts go back to normal.
Which again takes anywhere from 2 to 6 months.
So does it seem to be working? Dr. Crennan says results so far have been very good.
In men who use the gel and their sperm counts go down to very low levels, in fact they go down pretty much to zero, we find that with continued use of the gel, we're not seeing anything that shows any signs of pregnancy or not finding any pregnancies thus far.
As with most drugs, there can be side effects.
For me, I haven't really noticed any, significant side effects. The only thing possibly is gaining some weight, but not anything significant or cause for concern.
And there are some people who feel a little bit moody, and for some that goes away and for some it doesn't. It's an alcohol-based gel. There are some people who've gotten some skin irritation.
Dr. Crennan says at this point, side effects like these haven't shown up very much in trials.
As far as we can tell, everything looks really promising.
Now, this doesn't mean you'll be able to find this gel at the pharmacy next week or even next month.
My guess would be at least 10 years until we would see this on the market. And I think once you get one product into the market, it helps generate much more talk about it, and I think it will allow better contraception overall.
If the drug does get approved, Daniel and Nina say they would definitely consider getting back on it. And they think it would be nice for men to have the opportunity to shoulder the responsibility of birth control.
In an ideal world, it would sort of flip the script that we have currently where we sort of, villainize young women who get pregnant as though it's their own fault, and it might put more of the responsibility on young men as well.